wait a minute. Do you want to open the door and then get in our car? Would that be the best way to do it?
Oh, it's just a cub too.
Yeah, I think they're just cubs.
Yeah. Okay, now that's a little worse.
Well, yeah, it could be.
That's a little worse because Mama's here somewhere.
Right. She's probably up
Yeah.
there. Well, if we can get him out of there.
Yeah.
Just one?
Two.
Two.
See?
Maybe yearlings. Hopefully Mom isn't around.
Well, she's not far. There's no way she's far from here.
You think they're like born this year? Yeah, that's not a very big
No, yeah, they're this year. They're not very old. Unless she's in there with them, but I would imagine she'd have done showed her head if she's in there.
Yeah.
Well, there was a mom with 4 cubs
I just don't want her.
this year.
I don't want her to just come running out here somewhere, because they're usually not very happy
No.
when you're fooling with these cubs. The bears themselves usually won't bother you. You don't have to worry about them. But these cubs, you get around them cubs and mamas around, they're not.
Right.
They are little. I'm gonna get you out in just a minute, buddy. Hey. Hello. Here we go. Get out. 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 Come on. Come on. Go out. Go out. Come on. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Head that way. Head that way. Come out yet. There you go. Here he comes. There you
Ah, don't come over here. Up. Up. Don't.
Tree. Okay.
Yeah.
The other one's sitting right over here.
Yeah, I see him.
Okay, yeah, those are the little ones. Hey, if you want to get out,
You're all right. You're all right.
Mom's going to be around.
Yeah. Right.